It's our day 2. We are here in Lazi Church. Good morning, guys. Today is December 1. It's a really Christmas now. Monday today is 5:30 in the morning. Medyo mahamog, kaya basa. Nagpagas muna kami, guys, dito. Time check is 6 o'clock. It's our day 2 here in Siquijor. Let's go! So guys, day 2, sana maging okay yung panahon kasi it was raining now. Mura lang. We're back here in Hapitanan for breakfast. Dito kayo magbe-breakfast. Ito yung kainan nila. Yung mga duyan-duyan. Pwede ka mag-picture dito. Dito yung sikat na broomstick na picture sa Siquijor. Ito na lang. Thank you. Thank you. Pancit Canton, guys. And tapasilog. We are here in Lazi Church, here in Siquijor. So guys, ito yung simbahan ng Lazi, pero di kami makapasok. Kasi anong lamay? Hindi lamay. May misa. May misa ng patay. Our next spot for today, after the church in front of us, the Pilgrim of Hopes. Entrance fee, 30 pesos. The Convent of Lazi, Siquijor. So it was built with coral stones, limestones, rubbles, and local carpet. One of the largest convent in the whole country, in the Philippines. So guys, there's lots of damit ng pare dito. Then some old stuff and paraphernalia of those priests who live here. May garden din sila dito. Bye. Where are we going next?
Naka-record na to, ah.
So good morning, guys. This is my last day here. 1 p.m. trip going to Dumaguete. Finally arrived here in Dumaguete City.